Out someone today on a repair on a airplane garage door. Look at that. They got an airplane in their driveway. All these are big giant garage doors. Look how wide the streets are. That's how they could taxi. There's another airplane over there. Look at that plane in their driveway. You talk about incredible. Look at that thing right there. Look at the size of that door. The whole front of the house. We're just doing a door service. Basically, it was just squeaking. Can't even adjust these. These are those kind that snap on. They're supposed to be bolted onto the track there. So you can move them, they just snapped them. Okay, we're back in the car. That was just a little service we did at $349. I don't know if you can read that. Basically, just squirting WD-40. I mean, this is easy money. That was like less than 30 minutes. Now we're off to the next one. We're doing a garage door opener. They're opening the door now. We'll get back to you during the time of installation. Here's the opener we just installed. Here's the old one on the back of the truck. Picking up the check now for the cash. Okay. Okay, just paid us some cash. Look at these doors here. All these people need service all the time. Every one of these houses, they spend a lot of money to get their door service, and they all break. As long as you put the right foot forward and you want to do this, we'll tell you every step of the way until you're actually doing calls like we're doing. And then once that starts happening, you're going to know how to do everything by then. But anyway, for all of you that want to sign up, you're not just taking a course and you're on your own. We're going to make sure you get up and running. For you guys that are interested in doing garage doors, garage door repairs, we have a free lesson for you below. So click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe. If I were you, I would go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com to schedule a call. You'll probably talk to me and I'll talk to you and I'll tell you exactly what you got to do to get into business. I'll tell you how fast you can get into business. It's not a big drawn out thing. You can be making money very fast, day after day after day after day. Give us a call or sign up, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Over and out.